Hello everyone and welcome to Cyberwar. My name is Victor. Today we'll continue the videos in our cybersecurity course for beginners. In the last video we installed more tools and now I want to configure BurpSuite Community Edition to work with Firefox because we used it yesterday, but we used the browser that it comes with, and I want to show you how to configure it with the browser. Okay, what's this? So we started Burp and sees the temp directories from yesterday. I don't care. Delete. Next, start. So Burp starts. It does its thing. But how do we make sure that what we send to Burp, what we do in the browser gets sent to Burp without using their own browser? Well, there is something called proxy, which Burp is, and in the settings, sorry, not extensions, in the settings in Firefox, you get to control here. You would put manual proxy configuration, and you would put 127.0.0.1, sorry, .1, and here 8080, and use it for everything, and that would be it. Okay, so now if I try to access a website, let's say BurpSuite, for example, it's already an issue. It's clear that it worked, but because the website uses HTTPS, I need to tell Firefox to trust the certificate authority. So basically we're messing with HTTPS now and making a secure thing into an unsecure thing, so we can inspect the traffic. So now I need to configure Burp. Now, sorry, to export the certificate from Burp and import it into Firefox. Okay, let's put it in downloads. So you also what I did, I went to proxy settings, and now I'm waiting for whatever is blocking the computer to get it unlocked. Okay, and we have it. Save it. Next, close. This should do it. And now we go back to Firefox, and we need to import it and tell it to trust it. Similar procedures are for the rest of the browsers. Okay, I didn't put the correct extension, but okay. Trust this certificate authority, trust this certificate authority. Okay. Okay, so it comes already set in its own browser. It's already configured. Now we went to port trigger. And let's see what happened on the burp side. Sorry. Yeah, intercept is off. Target. Boom. It opened. Okay. No. So it opened port trigger, and also these two sites probably they are used in it, and it downloaded all these things. See? And in the dashboard, they didn't find anything. So we can put them in scope, and we will go from there. Okay, so this was over fast, but not so fast. So what if I want to use Firefox again, and I turn off BurpSuite? What happens then? Oops, it doesn't work because I need to change the proxy again. You see? Settings here. I need to uncheck that and do all that. So I'm going to do that now. No proxy. Right. Now if I start Burp again, I need to put it back. This is not ideal. The certificate part, okay, we did that. That's done. You need to do it anyway. You need to do it manually. But for the proxy, you can just use an extension. I almost said an app. It's like an app. Right. And you use something called Foxy Proxy. And I use this actually with several proxies. Okay. Because here it is. Options. Because you can also configure like OWASP Zap, and you can have a SOX proxy, and you can have all kinds of things. So let's say BurpSuite Community Edition proxy type. Okay. Proxy IP 127.0.0.1 8080. No username. We don't have a username. It's okay. And then, oops. Now it's on. Let's see what happens. Is it? Okay. So you go to BurpSuite, and of course it will not work. But if we start BurpSuite, so you started, you can change from here, turn off or use BurpSuite. And we can add another one. Let's say OWASP Zap, also HTTPS, and put that on 8081. And remember to change the port because it comes by default in 8080, also like BurpSuite. Here's BurpSuite. Next, start. So now the workflow is you start your browser, you do whatever. When you want to use BurpSuite to inspect the traffic or to attack or to do something, you just start BurpSuite, and then you go to the extension here and you change to BurpSuite, of course. So what can we do with it? Well, let's have just a short. What's wrong here? No. It should work. I'm not sure why it doesn't. Come on, guys. Yes. Edit. Oh. Maybe it's this. Yeah, okay. So it was HTTP and it does itself the HTTPS. Okay. All right. Let's close this. So what can we do with it now? Let's go to the Academy. I managed to log in. And this is a brand new account that we made specifically for this course. And let's learn something, huh? Get started on this server-side vulnerability. Path traversal. Continue. You have a lot of information here. Continue. And access the lab. All right. So, what is this? Looks like a shop. Let's see where it is. It's here. Add to scope. Yes. No. I want to save the data, but I don't want to see it. Maybe I want to see it later. Right? And for example, these are the requests that it made. History. Only scope apply. All right, so this is one request. For example, this one. So it got the images, you see? And the issue we have here, I mean, when you're doing labs, you know the problem because you need to retrieve the password file. It's a file traversal, meaning there's no protection, and probably you should be able to get the file somehow. Like wait. I'm not sure why I don't see the last request. Okay. So this one, for example, if you put normally, sorry, we can't do it directly. Let's send it to repeater. Go to repeater, and here you put this. You send it. Bad request. Okay. Play with it a bit. And boom. That's it. Seems fairly easy. So this was a file traversal. It was the easiest thing I could demonstrate on using Burp. And yeah, let's see what does this do. So I accessed it, and how do I solve it? I forgot. Solution. Wait. How do I? But doesn't it? No, I solved it. Ah, okay. So it saw that the system already saw, even if I looked at the solution, the system already saw that I requested that file, and once it gets a hit on it, it gives me like, you know, congratulations, you did that. So, all right. Now I did path traversal. Now I have access control. And I might go into these, but when we do categories of bugs, this video is only about setting up the tool, sorry. And well, that's it. This was making BurpSuite work with Firefox and a small demo. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more videos for absolute beginners in cybersecurity. Have a great day. Bye bye.